have sound effects now. Good. Dea told me about it. I'll go first. Hey, welcome. Okay, thank you. Okay, I have an appointment, please. At 12:30. Oh, appointment. Okay. What's your name? Let's show Lance. Okay. She just sit over there. No thanks. We just want to wait over here. Okay, she's kind of weird. Cheryl Williams. Oh, sorry. Cheryl, put your belongings first over there. Thank you. Okay. Okay, then next. So let's get started. I'll make it beautiful too, super beautiful. I'll make you like fabulous, like that. Okay, thank you. And now what's your favorite thing? Okay. So, okay, so Cheryl, how was your look like? Are you ready to look? Sure, yes. Wow, I look so beautiful. Thank you so much, Dea. No problemo. Get your belongings now and go pay at the prom. Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Oh. Thank you, Dennis Lander. Oh, I'll make it beautiful. Welcome. So a makeover costs $20. 20? Well, you're welcome. Come back soon. I'll come back.